Encountering the 0xc0000005 error on Windows 11? No worries, I'll walk you through the steps to quickly fix this issue and get your system back on track. Click on Start, then open Settings. Go to Windows Update. Click on Check for Updates button. Checking for general Windows updates is a mandatory solution that must be followed in the first place for each OS-related issue. This option will automatically scan and update any available aspect. If this attempt didn't resolve the issue, let's move on to the next solution. Open Windows Settings. Navigate to Windows Update, then click on Advanced Options. Select Optional Features. If any driver update is available, you'll see something similar as in the following picture. Checkmark all the available updates, then click on the Download and AMP Install button. If this didn't do the trick, let's proceed to the next solution. Hit the Windows key, then type CMD and choose to run as administrator. Type the following command, then press on Enter. Wait until the verification is completed. This command will scan all protected system files and replace corrupted files with a cached copy that is located in a compressed folder. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.